Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows screenshot is not working. So first you need to try to different keyboard shortcut. You can press Windows key plus print screen to capture the entire screen and save it automatically. And you can press Alt key plus print screen to capture the active window like this. And you can press function key and print screen if your keyboard requires the function key to print screen. And finally you can press Windows key Shift plus S to open the snipping tool for custom screenshot. Like if you need to small piece of the screen, you can try to final method. Other than that, you can try to use snipping tool. Tap on search bar, type snipping like this tool, tap on it, tap on new. You can select your area and you can create a screenshot using that one. If you need to entire area, you can select from this to this, create a full screen shot. Then after right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on keyboards, select your keyboard. If you have two keyboards like internal keyboard and external keyboard, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. And other than that, you can try to second option, again this one, select your driver, tap on next. Do the same thing into the next keyboard also. Try to check if the issue is fixed or not. But some apps also conflicting the background programs like OneDrive, Dropbox kind of things maybe interfere with the print screen. Temporarily disable or exit those applications and try again to get the screenshot. And if you need to reset or repair your snipping tool, tap on start menu, go to setting, tap on apps in the left side menu, go to apps and features, scroll down and find snipping tool. Here it is. You can see there is a three dots in right side menu. Tap on it, tap on advanced options, scroll down, there's option called terminate, reset. There is the option again repair and reset. You can first try to terminate, then after tap on repair and reset. So it will be reset and fix the snipping tool related issues. Once all the things done, you can restart your computer. If all the methods are not working, you can try to third-party tool like Movavi screen recorder kind of thing to take your screenshot and screen recording. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.